In this video, we're going to talk about how you can use an EBT card on the Meijer app. So what we want to do is just first, if we don't have one, we can create an account. And then once we have our account ready on the Meijer app, then we can build our card. So basically add all of your items which we want to purchase, including eligible EBT SNAP items and non-eligible EBT SNAP items if applicable. So once we have filled out our cart, basically made our groceries, then here we will begin the checkout process and we will add our EBT or SNAP card from the payment dropdown and add our secondary payment method. So we need to add our EBT SNAP card as a payment method when we get to the payment screen for our order. And once our EBT or SNAP card number is entered, we will select confirm card number, then get balance and enter in the PIN for our EBT or SNAP card. We will be able to see our current card balance upon entering our PIN. Then we have to enter an additional payment method to cover any non-EBT items if you have added any to your cart, as well as any applicable pickup or delivery fees. After we select next step, we'll be able to see the totals charged to each card and can adjust the amount charged to our EBT SNAP card if we want to do so. Then we'll click on place order, and when you have already entered your PIN once, and then we can enter our PIN once more to place our order. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.